Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q3 of the weekly contest 492, minimum operations to sort a string. This is definitely a tricky one. I think this is what I would consider ad hoc, which just means that it doesn't belong in anything, or miscellaneous if you prefer. And it is just a logical problem. And I am going to bring up the drawing board as a result if I could find my drawing pen. I have to put it up on the screen. And the idea here is that, well, you can do anything in 3 moves. Because then now, and there are a couple of ways you can think about it, and just to be clear, I got 2 wrong answers on this because I kind of had some idea, well, I knew the 3 moves part, but I wasn't able to, figure it out. And we'll talk about this now, right? Well, if there are 3 moves, that means that you can break it down into cases, right? Which means 0, 1, 2, and 3 moves. 0 moves are just pretty straightforward if it's already sorted, so we don't have to. I mean, we'll go over the code, but it's pretty straightforward. 1 move means that. One move means that one of the characters already in the smallest characters in the beginning, and then the second character or the last characters at the end, right? Because then now, if you have a string that looks like this, and because you cannot choose the same string, or the whole string, you want to pick almost the most string that you can, which is to say, I don't change colors. You make 1 move, which is either this move or this move, not including the first or last. And you could do that, then you're Gucci. Okay, 2 moves. Then how do you do 2 moves? 2 moves is, and this is where I got wrong during the contest. I was trying to figure out, like, maybe I should do 2 moves, maybe I should do 3 moves. Which one is easier to figure out and implement? And I did this wrong a couple of times, but it turns out that 2 moves is just, well, there are 2 ways to do 2 moves, so that's not that bad, right? It's basically, you do, it's similar to this thing, right? Which is that if you have a string, and this is like a sequence of string, you can either go this first, and then after that, swap the rest, or the other way, right? You can swap this first, and then swap the head. And, because in the greedy way, you want to choose as many things as possible to sort. So those are the 2 ways. So if you still cannot sort it in these 2 ways, then it is a 3-move problem. I thought that maybe during the contest, and this is not correct, everything I said so far is correct, and that's how you would solve it, because then now everything could solve in 3, because in the worst case, you could say CBA is a good example, right? Because you have to swap these 2. Well, it doesn't matter which one you swap, because then now you have to swap the other ones to BAC and then ABC, right? Swap these 2. So that takes 3 moves, right? And you could say that these sequence can solve every 3 moves. And I thought maybe there's a logic that I can use here, but it turns out that the logic is just doing the 2 moves instead. Yeah. Oops. I got 2 wrong answers because and you can watch the live portion. But this is how I did it. There's the impossible case that I forgot to mention, which is actually here, which means that because this is the only way that is impossible is because you have 2 characters, so you cannot choose both of them, and they'll just never swap. So okay, so if it's already sorted, and we pre-calculate the sorted string. If it's already sorted, we return 0, right? If there are 2 characters and it's already not sorted, or it's still not sorted, then it's -1. Otherwise, yeah, if the first character is already the shortest or the earliest character, then you just do 1 move, and then this is the 1 move. And this is just the implementation of, I was too lazy to name them, but sort the string not including the first character, and then this is sort the string not including the last character, right? And like I said, there's only 2 ways to use them in 2 orders, and that's basically what I did, right? So could probably implement this a little bit cleaner as well. And you could do it in 2 moves. Otherwise, everything can be done in 3, and that's it. All these operations are either linear or constant. Actually, mostly probably linear, right? Because this is linear, this is linear, this. Oh, actually, I lied. I guess this is not. I mean, you can construct this linear, right? Just use a counting sort. You have 26 characters, so you could do this in linear, but I didn't do this in linear. I just did n log n my fault. But you can think of it as linear if you kind of implement it that way. But yeah, but here you make 2 more of these sorts, and these is 2 of sorts as well. So just a constant number of sorting, whether you want to choose n-log-n sort or a linear sort. And that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And yeah, it's tricky, it's weird, and yeah, and you can watch me solve a live in contest next. Got lucky on the examples. I had to check it anyway. And why don't we select any substring of S that's not the entire string and sort it in ascending order. So you could always do it in. Oh well, you can always do it if it's not 2 characters. Right? Three at most. So okay, so it's gonna be at most 3. But then it's just checking to see if you could do it 1, 2, or 0. Okay, right. If oops. Okay, so what's 2? Otherwise, okay. Oh yeah. Well, I guess the other one would return, so it should be fine. Actually, it should be here instead. Okay, so then now if it's not sorted, then okay. And then now we have to do 2. Is it 2 or 3? No, because okay, CBA, swap, CAB, ACB, ABC, right? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. So what's 2? 2 is, so what's CBA? Why is this 3 and not 2? Oh, because the last character. Okay, so if no, it has to be that. Okay, so if the opposite of this. Okay, I want to test more cases. What is this? I guess it's not set up for Larry yet. ABC, CBA. Right. 1 chord is 3 is wrong. Okay. Why do I have 3 here? Oh no, this is 3. Otherwise it's 2. Whoops, I messed up. Okay, that's why. CBA, okay. YOLO. Oh, I didn't. I mean, I did consider dupe letters, but I was hoping that that would not be true. I did actually think about this for this one. I was like, wait. Yeah, okay, fine. I actually did think about it, but I got carried away about simplicity. But hopefully that's it. Oof. Okay. This is 3? Okay, so I mean, okay. Welcome back, Larry. RSP, right? So we want RSP. So then now Well, okay. So we'll try another way. I thought I could maybe do it this way, but we'll just try forcing 2, right? So then here 2 would either be s equal to s of 0 plus okay. Okay, oops. Maybe I should have done this way. I thought maybe there was a rule set, but clearly I was wrong. Oh well. Yeah, whatever. Somewhere like this. Okay, so everything except for the last one. My last one should be 3. Oof. Oh, did I not return 3? Maybe I deleted it by accident. This one should be 3. What's 5? 1, 2. Okay, so hopefully this is good. Okay. I was hoping for a shortcut, but I guess I was wrong. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.